God bless. Hey boy DJ. I'm gonna say that one out straight out of street out of studio. Don't know the thing go. I'm gonna say slowly but surely. Lord will come through it. You don't know the thing go. I can't tell them something then. Slowly but surely. Right, I know what me feel for, I no reefer. Scripture what they pan the leaf, ya make devil leave ya. God a block a shot a keeper, in a FIFA and deliver me like a pizza off of the streeter. Now I'm the knife in me Jesus, cause me no Peter. Holy Spirit and me teacher, come and a preacher. Me no follow back a neither, cause me a leader. You know enough for me can Libra. You a Libra, surely, I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy. And him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me slowly but surely. I'll be holy. God die if me sin like him holy, him able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me tell them. Them a wonder how me reach up at the peak. Stepping at the face a reaper with my sneaker, me bundle. With a eater, me hotter than a proper fever. Me no freezer when me go down pan them knees. Devil have to run like same is a pack a zebra or a river. Me no in and no eager, no hurry neither. Man a Solomon a coulda what do Shiva. Holy but surely, I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy, and him able go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me slowly but surely. I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy, and him able go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me Jesus. Him never feel not a one fox. Satan in cunning like a one fox. Anytime me want help, God me contact. Walk by faith, so me don't want no contact. And me say the most I send him son fi die for me, so me have to big up me grandpa. So all when me dey a studio, I lay down a one track, me stay on track like a arm track. Slowly but surely, I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy, and him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me slowly but surely. I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy, and him be able to go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me tell them. Right, I know what me feel for, I no reefer. Scripture what they pan the leaf, ya make devil leave ya. God a block a shot a keeper, in a FIFA and deliver me like a pizza off of the streeter. Now I'm the knife in me Jesus, cause me no Peter. Holy Spirit and me teacher, come and a preacher. Me no follow back a neither, cause me a leader. You know enough for me can Libra. You a Libra, surely, I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy, and him able go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me slowly but surely. I'll be holy. God die for me sin like him holy, and him able go action can holy. Anything me don't know, the Lord him a show me tell them. Tell them. Tell them, tell them, tell them. Tell them, tell them, tell them, tell them. God bless. I'm somebody else when I'm back. Nothing too serious. Yeah. Me I go look for you until you see the Father. Before judgment meet the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like each bada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the offer. 33 degrees you reach the border. You are the now you know hold no water. Hurry and seek the Father. So you like tell people lie. If you can't accommodate evil guy. It's easier for you see a vehicle fly or see a camel go through the eagle eye. I know the youths are the future, so build them. No matter try sell them, you build them. And you are call yourself Michael Jackson. Hope you not touch no little children. Me I go look for you until you see the Father. Before judgment meet the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like each bada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the offer. 33 degrees you reach the border. You are the now you know hold no water. Hurry and seek the Father. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Bleach out your face like you don't want that skin there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Your body is a temple, the Lord feel live in there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. You can't be a star and go star in another film there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. While I kick out you man, me ask you wake him there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. Fruit of the spirit, you feel be up on the limb there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. No accept no evil, that you feel a fling with. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. All yourself devil hell, you don't want to live in there. No do that thing there, can't do that thing there. You no go a hell for the sin there. Me I go look for you until you see the Father. Before judgment meet the Gaza. Downtown you want to bleach for yada. Want look like each bada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the offer. 33 degrees you reach the border. You are the now you know hold no water. Hurry and seek the Father. face. That fishy just like the CBS. You will walk around with a mask by your face like what you try to be Jason. You can't eyebrow free me, that fishy like the CBS. You will walk around with a mask by your face like Jason. Me I will look for you and tell you see the Father before judgment beat the Gaza. Don't tell you one who bleeds for yada. One look like Ichibada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the alpha? 33 degrees you reach the border. You water now you know hold no water. Hurry and see the Father. Look for you and tell you see the Father before judgment meet the Gaza. Downtown you one who bleeds for yada. One look like Ichibada. Should I tell the devil and him friend keep the alpha? 33 degrees you reach the border. You water now you know hold no water. Hurry and see the Father. Jaja never fail. Word is I'm stop it. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris from you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you black or white. The landlord a call say the rent won't pay. Light man cut off me light yesterday. Before me go ball me go pray. Cause me know the Lord Jesus him a go make a way. Me a go stay safe till me whole and grey. Now make the devil make me lose me way. Now make Satan steal my joy. Me a go stay happy like when Pitney a play. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Me say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris from you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you black or white. You are all when me no have no funds. Now go turn to the knife or the guns. Father got the man take care of the birds, so him now left out him daughters and sons. Yesterday my basket full of crumbs, but today it weigh about couple tons. In time the Father working miracle. Devil laugh you wonder how come. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris from you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you black or white. On the Lord God you can depend. Him now go trick and him now go pretend. Anything you want know the Father we send come give you. He no matter where or when. Same God no one of the same God then. Did it before him can do it again. The same God do bless Isaac and Jacob, Job and Noah. Yes him and my friend. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris from you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you black or white. Say the landlord a call say the rent won't pay. Light man cut off me light yesterday. Before me go ball me go pray. Cause me know the Lord Jesus him a go make a way. Me a go stay safe till me whole and grey. Now make the devil make me lose me way. Now make Satan steal my joy. Me a go stay happy like when Pitney a play. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Me say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris from you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you black or white. Don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Me say everything nice. Worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything Chris from you want Jesus Christ. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing, don't worry about nothing. Everything alright. No worry about nothing, no worry about nothing. Cause the Lord love you whether you black or white.
Let me just go ahead with the review portion of this video. I'm not sure how long this is going to be, but if it's too long, I apologize for the length. So the box of crayons, I love this palette. To me, the colors aren't as saturated, but once they get them to work, they work absolutely well together. This palette though, the blush palette, these colors in here are absolutely phenomenal. I'm wearing this one as my glow today. It's called Cappuccino, and I wore it in the last tutorial as well. And I mixed it with old banana, but I was like, nah, I don't want no bananas on my face today, honey. Yes, I love cappuccino for my glow. It's absolutely gorgeous, and I use like these colors here for my eyes, and I just love these two palettes together. I think they work well together, they work in sync together. I mean, I mean, winning. I can't wait to get, excuse me, I can't wait to get more palettes from them. It's good. It's good and definitely kit worthy. This is kind of big to go in my kit. You know, I like when they're, you know, like small. It's concise. I like when it's concise. But this is, hold on, my lashes need to be pushed up some more on my eyes. Yeah, so these work well together. Love them. The contacts I'm wearing are from Iris Beauty. I did a review on their contacts and I'll link that in the description bar for you guys. You can click and go and watch that video, and please don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Click the notification bell and spread the word. Tell everybody about this little Jamaican girl that you know she fierce, you know, she do her thing or whatever, you know what I'm saying, like keep it humble, you know. But that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye. Ooh, it's kind of hot. It's kind of hot, isn't it? Kind of hot, isn't it?